Alright. So, this is me, a little troublesome. But I believe I got this phone camera mounted well enough. So we'll see if I can get this working. Basically, I have no clue what this switch here does. Does something. I don't know. This one turns on the red light there, but it also makes it so that this mechanism, if like this button here is pressed, which is pressed by this door over here, this button is pressed and you insert a magazine, this will make the whole system go kerchunk when you insert it. Like, how do I do this without making things fly everywhere? Really delicately. Slide that in just like that. That should hold it. And then if we look really closely here, and I hit this button up top, let's do that with my offhand real quick. That would be the thing that loads a dart in. Let's see. God, I'm fucking dying. Alright, let's see if I have any darts over here. I think a waffle head will do. Alright. So, how this should work if everything is properly seated is, well, there's a little lever, that one there. That lever will interact with the switch back here, does some with wiring around here to this system. We have a wheel here, and another wheel here. They're like low-power flywheels or something. So the dart goes in here, goes through the channel controlled by these wheels, and if I real quick pull the magazine out, if it lets me. Oh, come on. The joys of having a blaster disassembled. Yeah, I'll just simply do my best to try to pull. I'll set this back on the neck mount real quick, and two-hand this. Alright, there's that. This needs to get seated back in there. I think there's a spring that's supposed to go in here, but maybe the spring shot off somewhere whenever I pop this open, so oh well. Lock that in place. Yeah. Slot that back. Push this one in to activate this switch system. And we'll push this button, and it's really quick. I need to hold that button when I insert a dart. That's gonna be shit. Alright. Okay. So, I hold the button. It'll say that there's nothing in the magazine because there's like something in here that detects if there's a dart in the mag well. But when you push down the switch, those start spinning. Seemingly off the same motor. Yeah, that's about it. Now to see if I can make this happen without a dart. So, if we look down in here, we have two detector things right here. Not entirely sure what these things do. I think they might just be to detect if a dart comes from the channel. These things, I think, detect if there is a dart, and then this thing will flick the thing in, I think? Maybe? Let me check by resetting this nub. Press it. Yep. No? Alright. It's very difficult to do this with, like, half of a hand. Oh wait, I have a bottle. I think that's good. I don't know. I hope that's good. This should allow me to do my shit properly. So that's going. Alright. And that doesn't do anything. Alright. We'll have the recording show me otherwise. Not sure if that showed it very well, but hopefully it did. And the system works really well with multiple darts too. You can insert like 3 or 4 at once and it'll be perfectly fine. Not too sure. Like, here. Got 3 of them now. Hold this down. And of course. Okay. In. It's really fast and efficient at multiple darts at once. Let's try that again, see if we can get it working. Yeah. There's got to be sensors in this part somewhere that detect if there's something going on. Which means I get to take this apart and see how those sensors look. That's going to be fun. But until then... God, I'm fucking dying. This is what we got.